Welcome to iSTEM, the Indian Science, Technology and Engineering Facilities Map. In this video, we shall guide you step by step on how to register, search equipment, book the equipment slot, and manage the booking request. Step 1. Register as a researcher or public user. Students, researchers, faculty, scientists, even startups and industry can sign up on the iSTEM portal to access advanced research facilities in India. To register as a researcher or public user, visit www.istem.gov.in. Click the Register button on the top right and choose Researcher or User Registration. Fill in all the mandatory details in personal information and academic information. Enter the CAPTCHA and click Submit. The user registration request will be reviewed by the iSTEM Nodal Center and necessary action will be taken. After approval, the login credentials will be sent to their registered email ID. Step 2. Search the equipment and book equipment slot. Researchers or public users can search for equipment with or without logging in, but a login is required to book a slot. Search the equipment. Visit www.istem.gov.in and log in as a public user. To search the equipment, type the equipment name or abbreviated word like AFM, XRD, etc. in the Search Equipment field. You may also use advanced search to refine your search results. Equipment search results will be shown on the left side. Book the equipment slot. From the search results, select the equipment. The equipment details page displays the equipment information along with its health status, up or down. A green bar indicates the equipment is up and available for slot reservations, while a red bar indicates the equipment is down and unavailable for booking. Click View More. It will be redirected to the equipment info page. Choose the usage rate based on your analysis type. Then click Equipment Reservation. Read the booking terms and conditions, check the acknowledgement box, and click Submit. In the Equipment Information and Contact Operator section, click Download CSRF if available to get the customized service request form. Fill it in. You'll need to upload it at a later stage. Then click Next. In the Booking Calendar section, select a date to view lab timing, booked and available hours, pending requests. Once done, click Next. In the Booking Details section, fill in the information and then click Next. In the Service or Job Requisition Form section, provide the job or project title and required information. Upload the completed CSRF form and supporting reference documents, if any. If you need extra facility like consumable, then click Yes. Select the correct option from the accessories or consumables provided by field drop-down. If you select custodian institutions, then select Sample from Table and click Submit Samples button. Enter the current billing information carefully as it cannot be changed later. Click Next to continue. Review the equipment and booking information section and then click Book Now. Once an equipment booking request is submitted, a unique 10-digit facility booking record FBR number will be generated with status set to pending and shared with the relevant custodians, including the assigned operator and the user via email. User will also receive the same information through text message on their registered mobile number. Note: FBR is used to track the status of booking requests. Its status can be pending, slot allocated, executed, rejected, or cancelled. Whenever an FBR is generated or its status changes, the system automatically sends an email notification to relevant custodians, including the assigned operator and the user. This ensures everyone stays informed about the booking progress. The public user can view the operator's details, name, mobile number, and email ID on the FBR detailed page for all FBR statuses. Action for FBR status: pending. If the FBR status is pending, the user should wait for the operator to take the necessary action on the booking request. During this stage, the user may choose to reschedule or cancel the booking request. To act on pending FBR, log in as a public user. Navigate to View, Booking, and select Booking Requests. Click Pending Request in the left side menu. Search FBR and then click the FBR number. In the Booking Details section, select Edit Service Request Form button. On the Edit Service Request Form page, click Reschedule button. On the Reschedule Request pop-up page, provide availability and click Update. The FBR status remains pending. To cancel the booking request, click Cancel button and confirm the cancellation. The FBR status will be changed to Cancelled. Once an FBR is cancelled, no further action can be taken by either the public user or the operator. Action for FBR status. Slot allocated. Once slot is allocated by operator, public users should coordinate with the institute's custodian or operator for payment and invoice, etc. For the allocated FBR, the public user and operator will have the option to mark FBR as executed. This option becomes available from the allocated date and remains accessible until the execution is completed. It can be selected by either the public user or the operator. To execute the booking request. To act on allocated FBR, log in as a public user. Navigate to View, Booking, and select Booking Requests. Click Allocated Booking in the left side menu. Search FBR and then click the FBR number. In the Booking Details section, click Mark FBR as executed. A pop-up page will appear. Provide the date of allocation, date of completion, final amount in rupees, and click on Mark FBR as executed button. The FBR status will be changed to executed. Note: the iSTEM portal's role is confined to booking and facilitating access. Data analysis should remain the responsibility of researchers. Therefore, the institutes should be encouraged to provide output data in public user-friendly formats to support easier data analysis for public users. Action for FBR status. Executed. If FBR status is executed, then public users should submit the feedback and can view or download the FBR certificate. To submit feedback. To act on executed FBR, log in as a public user. Navigate to View, Booking, and select Booking Requests. Click FBR Executed in the left side menu. Search FBR and then click the FBR number. In the Booking Details section, click Feedback Form. Provide the feedback and click Submit. Once feedback is submitted, it can't be changed and Feedback Form button will disappear. Your feedback helps iSTEM enhance public user experience. To view or download the FBR certificate, the user may choose FBR Certificate button. Action for FBR status. Rejected. If FBR status is rejected, then public users should submit the feedback. To submit feedback. To act on rejected FBR, log in as a public user. Navigate to View, Booking, and select Booking Requests. Click Rejected Requests in the left side menu. Search FBR and then click the FBR number. In the Booking Details section, click Feedback Form. Provide the feedback and click Submit. Once feedback is submitted, it can't be changed and the Feedback Form button will disappear. Your feedback helps iSTEM enhance public user experience. FBR status. Cancelled. Once FBR is cancelled by the public user, no action can be taken by the public user and technologist or operator. Public user can see the list of cancelled FBR and their details. To view the cancelled requests. To view cancelled FBR, log in as a public user. Navigate to View, Booking, and select Booking Requests. Click Cancel Request in the left side menu. Search FBR and then click the FBR number. In the Booking Details section, click Service Request Form. Select Personal Information, Booking Information, and Technical Information tabs to view the information. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on iSTEM. Visit www.istem.gov.in to explore India's largest R&D infrastructure network.